What's going on, everyone? Chris Jarzik, your Southwest Florida realtor with MVP Realty, coming to you from beautiful Cape Coral, Florida. For today's home tour, I'm going to be taking you through a beautiful Southwest Cape Coral pool home. This pool home is 3 bedrooms, 2 baths with a 2-car garage. As stated earlier, has a pool. It's about 1,675 square feet, and it was built in 1998. I'm going to go ahead and flip the camera around, give you guys a quick tour, and I will check in with you when the video is over. Welcome back, everyone. I'm going to take you guys on this quick home tour. I'm not going to take up too much of your time today. Got a bunch of other home tours that I have to get to. So coming in here, you're going to see, since this is an older style home, it's going to have some of the older setups that we have here in Cape Coral, not as open as the newer style homes, but you see this one has the formal dining room here and the formal living room, living area. It's going to be kind of a more closed off setup. As you can see, the kitchen isn't really open to the living area. We've got an inside laundry right when you come in. You come in to the living area as well as this formal dining area. I'm going to go on over to the primary bedroom. It's a pretty good size, as you can see. Does have carpet. That is an easy fix. Quite a bit of carpet, as you can see, through into the living area there. It does have access through this slider to the pool area, which is nice. It does have quite a bit of sliders and access, natural light. I didn't open up all of the shades, so I didn't want to take up too much time. As we're going through, you can see, with it being a 1998, it is clean, but it is very, very dated. It's a very old school tub there. No shortage of mirrors, so if you like looking at yourself, if you're into the bodybuilding and fitness, I mean, this definitely is the bathroom for you. So it does have separate sinks, so you're not elbowing your partner. But yeah, tub there in the middle, and then a little walk-in shower here. And as you can see, it does need a little bit of cosmetics, but overall, for the price, and I'll put the price and all the specs down below, for the price, it is a deep Southwest Cape Coral pool home at a pretty reasonable price. Coming into the kitchen area here, despite it being a 1998, everything is super clean as far as kitchen cabinets go, and the like. I know it does have a new cage out back. What some people are doing or have done to these older models is they go ahead and remove this wall here. You do lose a little bit of cabinet space, but it does give it a more open feel. And this is another living slash formal sitting area with, and I mean, I'm not even that tall, but one of the lowest chandeliers I've ever seen in history. But that's an easy fix. You can always raise that up. And as you can see, there is another slider out to the pool area, which we will save for the end. So little eat-in kitchen here, and then you have your formal dining over there. And head on over to the guest bedrooms. Pretty standard here. Guest bedroom number 1. Pan around for you. Has a closet. You know, needs some touch up, needs paint, needs some carpet if you like. I know it does have a new roof. As I said, I'll put all of the specs down below. Coming in here, guest bathroom, original cabinets, original tops. What some people also do, as you can see here, they will, if they redo the shower, they'll go ahead and take that piece out and raise the shower up. And this fan is going crazy, shaking like a tree in a storm. Give you another pan around here. As you can see, little touch-ups, but overall not bad, nice and clean, and it's good size for a guest bedroom. And we'll head on over. I don't know if I'll fast forward this or keep this in the video, but here we come to unlock it here. What everybody loves in Florida, the pool area. As I said before, new cage has been installed. You've got plenty of room under truss here. You've got a slider out. You've got a slider here, and then also a slider for the primary bedroom. As we said, new cage. I mean, you can kind of tell. I mean, very, very new. Not a spot on it. Screens are tight. Pool is in great shape. Brand new roof. Give you guys a little shot of the pool. And as I said, it is in the deep southwest. Very, very nice area. Floritam yard, as you can tell. Nice quiet neighborhood, aside from, not sure if audio will pick it up, people mowing lawns and trimming trees, things like that. Daily, day-to-day stuff that goes on in Cape Coral here. Just another shot of the backyard, and we'll wrap it up. Go ahead and pause this and flip it around so I can tell you guys a couple more little things. I wanted to thank everybody for checking out today's home tour. I was originally going to throw some music on, but I figured I'd do a walk and talk for you. Hopefully my panning wasn't too fast. A lot of people have been commenting on the quick pans on some of the videos. Try to do that to slow down, or not slow down, but to speed up the videos. A lot of the times people will get bored, so I want to kind of spin through the houses pretty quickly. I will go ahead and put all of the criteria and the specs in the description box down below. If you have any questions about this particular pool home, or, as always, anything Southwest Florida real estate related, feel free to give me a call or shoot me a text. And if you have a chance, please feel free to hit that subscribe button and that like button. That will motivate me to bring you more home tour videos and more real estate related content. It's Chris Jarzik with MVP Realty. Thank you for checking out the video, and I will see you on the next one.